you know, he's gonna drive it real quick. Rock, get him up, man. Okay, yeah, that's crazy. That's gonna get annoying as well. What's up? Yeah, word.
This is say you're cruising and you don't want to be like too loud.
Yeah.
You just put it on comfort.
And it's not gonna be loud, right?
Super quiet, bro.
Perfect.
Super quiet.
Perfect.
Like that.
Oh, that's bliss then, yeah. So if I don't want that, then...
You just go comfort.
Oh, that's easy then.
And then you go Sport Plus.
Yeah, and it goes crazy. Yeah. That's fire. Okay.
That's clean, huh?
Okay, yeah. Bro, I miss this car, bro. I haven't had this car in like a month, bro. I haven't had this car in a month, bro. Rock, what do you think generally, bro?
Oh, it's tough.
Yeah?
It's tough.
Color fire?
You gotta...
I gotta chill with this though. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so those are pretty much the settings right there.
Okay, bet.
So like I said, if you just want to be like chilling, just
Yeah.
put comfort, and then when you want to make some noise, turn this little knob.
Yeah.
Sport Plus or race, and then get the grip.